The relaunch of President Biden's Cancer Moonshot will get cancer patients across the country some much needed help. Biden is no stranger to the disease as he lost his son, Beau, to brain cancer in 2015. But will the program do anything here locally? Our very own Luis Lopez spoke to a doctor who shared his optimism.
The Cancer Moonshot relaunch will be creating a cabinet of people to help lead the fight against cancer. Things like funding and research will help patients nationwide. Eventually, the aid will help those taking on the fight here in the desert Southwest. The Moonshot program was initially created back in 2009. Its relaunch brings a focus back to continuing to provide funding for the program. More than $400 million in funding has already been authorized for the next 2 years.
More attention, more resources, more funding eventually trickles down to more lives saved at this community level.
Dr. Abhinav Chandra is the medical director of the Cancer Center at Yuma Regional Medical Center. He says programs like Moonshot helps areas like Yuma, areas that don't typically have abundant resources to treat patients.
I think having more resources, more research, and that's another aspect where we have really able to provide our patients with the state-of-the-art treatment.
While the Moonshot program will provide further funding, Dr. Chandra says it's actually been local funding also helping the center to get by.
Thankfully, Yuma has a very giving population or community, so we do get a lot of grants and funding from our partners within the community, so we are able to provide those services to the patients.
While the funding and research can be helpful, Dr. Chandra urges people to get screened for cancer as soon as possible, as early detection creates a need for less treatment. More importantly, it can save your life. Reporting in Yuma, Luis Lopez, 13 on your side.